I'm Anne and I'm back. I'm here today to teach you this look. This is called the Foxy eye makeup. It brings your face an illusion of lifted, so you have the instant facelift illusion of your face. Okay, so this look is inspired by Bella Hadid. So this is my take on how to create this look. I am using a soft ochre from MAC Cosmetics as base of my eyes. And for the brows, I am using Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in soft brown. Using my favorite angle brush from MAC number 266, I am creating a straight eyebrows since it is necessary to achieve foxy eyes. I am using my brow gel from MAC Cosmetics in shade Girl Boy to blend and set my eyebrows. Using my E15 flat brush from Sigma and concealer from MAC Cosmetics in shade NC30, I am cleaning the edges to have more defined brows. And now for my eyes, I am grabbing my E70 angle brush from Sigma and a warm medium brown eyeshadow from MAC. I am creating a soft dimension on the outer part of my eyes. This technique will help you determine the angle of your eyeshadows to create fox eyes. Remember that by doing this look, it is more linear than rounded one. Grabbing my blending brush number 228 from Zoeva, I am creating a soft dimension on my crease and extending it up to my temple using the same color eyeshadow. I am using my MAC 266 brush and dark eyeshadow to create more dimension on the outer part of my eyes. Basically, I am just creating an extended cat's eyeliner. Using the blending brush number 228 from Zoeva, I am blending the line upward. Using the same brush, apply more medium brown on the outer part, extending it all the way to the temple. I am applying dark eyeshadow to create more dimension using my pencil brush E30 from Sigma. To create more sexy eyes, I am tight lining using black eyeliner. Also, I'm putting a little bit of it at the edge of my lower lash. Topping it with gel eyeliner from MAC in Blacktrack using small eyeliner brush number E10 from Sigma for a more precise application. I am putting a light shimmery eyeshadow in vanilla extract using Zoeva's flat brush 234 to make my eyes pop. And for the face, I am putting primer from MAC Cosmetics. And for my foundation today, I will mix Strobe Cream and Studio Fix Foundation in NC30 to have a full coverage and at the same time have luminous effect, applying it using F60 brush from Sigma. To brighten my under eyes and creates illusion of lifted face, I am using the 24-hour Studio Fix Concealer in NC30 from MAC, using concealer brush from Zoeva number 142. Set it with a translucent loose powder using F10 brush from Sigma. Yes, my favorite, to create a slimmer face, let's contour using a cool brown shade and angle brush from Swoosh. And for the nose line, use a small angle brush from Sigma number E70. Using the same angle brush from contour, apply blush just above the contour and not the cheek area. This creates facelift effect. To define the lips, I am using MAC Lipliner in Whirl and topping it with Love Me lipstick in French Silk from MAC. Highlighting the high points of my face, I am using a fan brush and Hyper Real Glow Highlighter from MAC. Using the gel eyeliner and angle brush number 266 from MAC, I am just outlining my inner canthus. This makes your eyes more elongated and foxy. Yes, it's quite challenging to do this. I'm just doing final touches to my eyes. I am using Artisan Pro number 273 in the edge of my lash. To blend the fake eyelashes and my natural lash, I'm going to put mascara on it. Ta-da! You can really tell the difference, right? So that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, you can press the like button. And of course, for more makeup tutorial, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless.